Hi, Jen and Beans here with girlydohairstyles.com. Today we have a fun little hairstyle for you. First of all, this was the remnant from some Bantu knots. We've brushed through it, we've watered it down, we've kind of gotten rid of the curl quite a bit. But this is a second day. She had tight curls yesterday and now we're working with no curls, well, just wave today. So let me go ahead and start on this tutorial. I'm not quite sure what we want to call this tutorial yet, what we want to call this style. But we posted it as one of her weekly hairdos and it needs a tutorial. So, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start by just pulling this part into a ponytail. Now for this I like to use the clear elastics. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some from each side. About the same amount. And we're just going to start twisting them towards each other on the sides there. This is a good one for those that cannot, like French braid. I'll be honest, it doesn't even look like a French braid, but it's a good one that you can use in lieu of. Now you're always leaving the ponytail underneath. So then we're going to grab some more. From both sides. And smooth it out. This is actually a really good one with the curl, because it just gives it that much more detail in the style. So twist, twist, twist. Now you're not adding it into the ponytail. You're just doing it on top of the ponytail. And it's okay if you get a few little lumpies, just adds to the detail. You're just going to work your way all the way down. you're going to get to the end, or to the bottom, hold still please. You're not going to add it into a big ponytail, you really are just going to leave it down, and if you want to curl that more, you can curl that more, or you can end it any way that you want, just leave it as a ponytail. And you can even start taking from the back of the ponytail and just keep going. If you have really long hair, you can just have this all the way down and be really, really pretty. So there we go. Let's go ahead and turn that and see, like this one little spot, I'm going to put a bobby pin just right in there, just holding that down. I'm not going to pull it back out and redo the whole thing. But that's fun. We like that style. It's a good one. It's an easy one, especially for those who cannot French braid. This is just twisting and putting it into an elastic, so it's pretty simple, pretty easy. So